Nice. Nice shot.
We gotta get out. We gotta get out. They D. Alright. That's exactly what I would've did. You cool as hell, boy.
Nice.
Oh my.
Nice.
Oh,
Nice shot.
No! Ashley! Where are you at, girl? They got grandmas. They got soldier grandmas. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
No! Get on me! Eat leg! Eat leg! Ooh, wee. It's that RE4, boy. Yeah. Leon! Yes, sir.
It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. That
Leon!
night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
This that
Somehow I made it
RE4.
out.
You feel me?
Too many others
mxxn.
weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program.
To go
Not that I
rescue
had a choice.
somebody, right?
The training, punishing missions.
Cause it's been a minute. It's this a rescue mission, right?
At least I kept my mind off everything.
Leon! Ooh.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second. This time, it can be different.
Okay, like my RE is not, it's there, but it ain't there. You feel me? Like, I kinda know what's going on. Leon! I can't remember who Leon dropped. Like, girl falling. Look like Ada. Miss Wong. But I could be wrong. My RE is a little rusty. You know, the Netflix show messed me up. Y'all see the Netflix show? That show go crazy. Where the chainsaw come into play? Hold on. It ain't nothing? Nothing? I can't pick up the boot? Nothing? Hey. I'm not looking so bad. Hey.
You've gone.
Hey, what's up with all that growling? Ashley? Ashley! Ada! Wong! Hey, don't go into that ball. Alright, I'm done. Oh, that was a bird, bro. I thought someone was crawling on the roof, man. I was finna get the glacking. Ashley? You looking to your side for Playboy? Playboy Leon? Boy, you too cute, man. Like, instead of walking through the door, Buddy said, boy, if you don't get your...
Anyone home?
Don't. Nah. See? Don't speak, Leon. Let me handle that. You over here letting them know our position. Buddy didn't slam the door on us. Yeah, I'm going around. You think I'm a dummy going through there? This giving me a Blair Witch cult. This is a cult type of Ashley. I can't even read that. Boy, Ashley. I'm going through this door. I'm going through this one. Ashley. My controller vibrating.
I hope you bulletproof for this about to hurt.
I'm looking for Ashley. Yeah, get your hand on that glick. You feel me? Let's
barge in like this.
RPD style. Come on. You know how to get down. Don't even talk to him. Get on that gunpoint. What are you doing?
Vino aqui?
Bro, don't. Porque Glocky. You feel me? Don't turn your back on him. He a police officer too, bro. He long. Why would you turn your back on him, Leon? Okay, with the knife? Hey, that's tough, really. That's dang. Leon? That boy said, ugh. One kick. I don't think you need the Glock, Leon. This a fighting game? Hold on. So, yeah. Y'all see me? Y'all, hold up. Who are y'all to challenge me?
I hope you bulletproof for this about to hurt.
How I use this knife? Whoa, boy!
Nice.
Boy!
Nice
Boy!
shot.
Hey. Chill out.
Nice.
I have my pay ready, boy. Get on me. Hey shot. Drop him, Leon. Slash. Boy, back up. Back up. Get ready. Parry. Get on me. I'm out of bullets. Get out of here. Go, Leon. Run, boy. Run. You good, Lee? Just go, Lee.
Good evening.
Ah! Excuse me. This is not the way out. Oh my god. I'm out. This can't be the way out. I should have went the other way. I should have ran, busted left, and then juke Buddy, and then I could have dang. I think I'm straight.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Bro, they deep. 10 bullets, and like, y'all see me, boy. I was like.
Our intel was correct. Well done.
Slash.
Need to look around in the area.
Boy, I was blinking, and like his whole
I'll see what I
Buddy
can find.
dome was off. Like Buddy dome was like barely there, and he
My escorts are.
get out. You gotta get out, bro. I told you.
Talk later.
We gotta get out. They deep.
I'll let myself out.
Alright. That's exactly what I would've did. You cool as hell, boy. Y'all peeped that? Haha. Stupid. Goofy. We out of here. Okay, Lee. That boy Lee. That boy Leon so pretty, boy. Huh? Like, what's up with dude? I mean, I know it's on the hardest difficulty, but like, man, put like 6 bullets in the buddy with the peninsula going on the chrome dome. I'm still up in blick, and you know they don't know I don't. Oh, you can tell I ain't got no bullets in the freaking receivers open and stuff. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh yeah. Reloading. Hey, reload the gun, bro. What you doing? There we go. Man. Resident Evil so clean now. Like, this game's so clean now. Like, they done came a long way, huh? Hey. I'm up in blick every time. What's this? Oh, I can't save. It's on the hardest difficulty. I literally can't save. It's one go. When I die, that's game over. mxxn. Y'all see how I go down, bruh? Let's see how I go down. If I go down. I can't even get through the door. Open the door. RPD! Dead wolves on the ground, bruh. RPD, is anyone alive? My name is Leon Kennedy. I'm pretty as hell and I got nice hair. I got a fully. Yeah, give me all this. I need all this. Got 20 shots in the clip. I'm finna air the whole jungle out. My name is Leon Kennedy. No relation. Boy. You ate him. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Never did he eat a shot to the dome. Oh! I check my back real quick. Parry! Whoa! He turned into a zombie! Parry! No! Get off me! Get off me! Get off me! Yeah, what's up? What's up? Yeah! Breathe! Get on the ground! Breathe! Boy! Parry, Leon! I got no more knife! Breathe! Get him! Get on the ground!
Nice.
He's turning! I can't!
Nice.
Oh my...
Nice.
Oh,
Nice shot.
No! No! Man, they stank out here. Give me that. Excuse me. I'm just passing by. Bro! Leon, go! Boy. Oh my. I just want to say you tough for taking the bear trap. Boy. Another one. Get in, boy. When they come and kill you. This game is doing too much. Already on the hardest difficulty. I wish I was the chicken. Crouch down. Oh, boy, you so suspicious. Can you crouch? Zoom in. Too many, and they don't drop. Y'all not finna do that to me. Over there praising them. Ashley! Where are you at, girl? They got grandmas. They got soldier grandmas. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Hey, what's good, y'all? They see me! They see me! They see me! Fight them off! Oh! Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, what's up? Boy? Alright. I gotta play this smart. Yeah, give me all this. Come on! He turned to a zombie.
Good evening.
Ah! Get on me! No! Get on me! Eat leg! I'm not dying! No! Run! I'm trapped! Eat leg! I got no health. Excuse me! Reloading! Eat leg! No! I don't know about y'all, but I died and came back. I still had that glat on me. I ain't even there yet. Like, I'm not even there yet, and I have the glat. Like, hey, hey. I ain't finna do nothing but run. Actually, y'all gotta get beat. Boy! You thought! finna die to y'all. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm about to die. Like, really, I want to skip this part. But y'all been terrorizing me. Boy, are you serious? Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Alright, we out of here. 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 They bull. They bull. Oh no. Yeah! Boy! Little boy! Go to sleep! Go to sleep! Let me check the drawer. Green herb! Come and get your mans! Come and get your mans! Alright, hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. It's a bunch of them. Alright? I got like 20 shots in the Glock. You feel me? I got like 5 shots in the Drake. No, it's really in the TMP. You feel me? The Lil Daddy. Mixed herb. Need that. Need that. Yup. Okay, so it's a lady right there. I'm gonna sneak up on her, but I gotta sneak past them. I'm gone. I'm gone. The old lady. The old lady. I can't climb? Who I need? Close the door, Leon! Okay, we in. I ain't got no key for that. Chill out with the music, bro. I'm safe. Give me that. What am I gonna do with those? That kick is nasty, Leon. You learn that. I'm going through the window. Go to sleep. They see me? No. No! I'm dead. Get on me! Get on me! Run, Leon. Run, Leon. Alright, line them up and shoot some eggs. Line them up!
Weak.
Boy! Line them up and shoot. Line them up and shoot some eggs! Come on, Leon. We're not going out like this, man. It's not looking good, boys. I'm not going in the well because I'll end up dying. Hello? No key. Oh! We good. Get on me! No! She got me in the full Nelson! Get on me, girl! Back up! Back up! John Wick! John Wick stance! Go! Reload! Around this corner. John Wick with it, boy! Alright, that's one. Back up! Oh, man! My aim! Ah! No! Get on me! I'm not going out like that! Come on! What's up? Run! Just run, Lee. Leon! Lee, just run.
Good evening.
No! The cow's in the way! We're not gonna talk about how I blick Buddy in the dome and ain't nothing happened. You gotta be really cold at Resident Evil 4 or work for Capcom yourself, cause the hardest difficulty, it's hard. Like, it ain't no sneaking when it's on hard, bro. They try to make you fight everybody. Exactly. Okay, now that we snuck over here, we're gonna crouch. Cause that old lady out the way. That old lady really in the way. It's a lot of old people in here. Y'all not retired? Y'all ain't gave this up yet? Y'all still culting. Get a job. What's that, blue herb? Oh yeah. Red herb. Yeah, I need them. They notice me, but they don't know where I'm at. They just talking right now. Shut up. Did the cow just alert them? No.
we go.
How? How, bro? Alright, alright. Oh, wrong way. I'm out of here. You already got me in the full Nelson. Get up, Leon! I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I thought I was dead. Okay. We're gonna juke. We're gonna go this way. Alright, 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 alright. They all right here. That's crazy aim, bro. Alright, so they all dead now. Okay, now I'm gonna run. Bro, you gotta die. Run, 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 run. Come on, come on. Alright, alright. Now we're gonna run this way. Bust through the door. Of course not! Kill her! Kill her! She a human! Come on, something. Nothing. Bust this right. Come on. We're not out. We're not dead yet. We're not. Kill them! They hold people! And y'all worry about me! Is that out? Is that out? Please. Bro, he... My last stand! My final stand! No! No! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. What's up?
Weak.
Boy, I'm out of here! I'm out of here! I go by the name of Moon, and over here you never know what you're gonna see. Till next time.
Why? How do you know? Nowadays I'm only moving solo, and I don't think that I'm lonely, but I'm alone. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gone. Far, so far away. Yeah, I'm asking God for better days, but my gray days is better than the blue days. Cause honestly I'm still cool up the blue A.